So did you know that today, February 21st, we just wrapped up the worst trading day of both the NASDAQ, S&P 500, and Dow Jones for 2023. What's going on, team? It's Ricky here with TechBud Solutions. And just like I said in today's earlier video, I did not take an additional trade. I did not overcomplicate my trading. Although the NASDAQ market, from my selling point of wanting to lock in profits right around $38, ended up hitting highs of nearly $39. I'm sorry, reducing my position size right around $38.40. We could see that it hit highs of nearly $39 before pulling on back before market close. Now, what exactly happened today? Again, the market was already on the technical side overbought. If we look at this on the day chart, based off of its recent rally from January 6th to February 2nd, that's when we actually peaked. Now we're actually retracing back to the moving average. It's weird, right? It's almost doing exactly what we said. And remember, this isn't rocket science. This is literally just, well, anytime something becomes very overbought and it doesn't pull on back, it just makes sense that it's going to correct itself. And this is all I literally see happening, right? It's just correcting itself. And of course, the overall market is factoring in higher interest rates. So why would they be doing this? Well, again, inflation data has been coming in hotter than expected. And the Federal Reserve announced that, again, they're going to be more aggressive with future interest rate hikes if inflation data does not come in lower than expected. And that's exactly what is happening. So in my opinion, this could be the very beginning of the last leg down. And what I mean by this is, I just wanted to explain this to you guys very quickly. On the 4-hour time frame, you guys could see, let me go ahead and pull it. The 4-hour time frame, we could see based off of previous patterns. I don't know if you guys remember this. This was, again, last month. I don't know how long you guys have been trading with us. But one of the things that I want to point out is I want to give credit where it's due. Although I do see the possibility for us to retrace back down to 285, which is where my moving average is at. Again, that's just an indicator. Again, indicators are never 100% accurate. But one thing that I really like to pay attention to are supply and resistance zones. And we can see based off previous pattern, we have a supply zone right around 290 to around 300, right? Same thing going on here. The last resistance level was right around 295. Do you guys remember when our support range was 260 and our resistance range was around 290, 295 for QQQ? We're going now and we're pulling on back and we're retesting this old resistance level. And if you've been trading for a while, you know that old resistance levels become new support levels on the opposite side, right? So now the question is this going to be our new support level? Are we going to begin to make higher lows? And again, one thing that I said in today's earlier video, although I'm very grateful for my $24,000 today, right? I didn't overcomplicate my trading. I wasn't greedy. I learned from my mistakes. I know that I had to respect the other side. I didn't care that I was shorting the market and that I was making money as the market was selling off. I know that, again, the market can find any reason on why to justify being bullish. Now, this doesn't mean that the market's going to recover right away. All I'm saying is tomorrow and the days moving forward, I'm going to begin to pay attention to see if we begin to show signs of a support right around, based off of previous patterns, 290 to 295. That is all I'm saying. That's all I'm paying attention to. If we continue to sell off, then I'll take it day by day and I'll continue to short the market. But I plan to cover and close my short positions every single time and every single day, just like I did today. I don't have to overcomplicate my trading just because I hope that the market continues to sell off so I can make more money on SQQQ. Remember, my job is not to predict the future. My job is just to prepare for it. And if I see that I'm approaching a potential support zone based off of previous resistance levels, then again, my job is just to simply respect it. And this is what I'm sharing with you guys today. I do want to remind you that tomorrow we do have the FOMC Minutes report. That's going to be at 2 p.m. Eastern time when it's going to get released. And if I'm not mistaken, that is around 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is in Arizona, which is the time zone that I'm in. So I was thinking, I definitely do not have to, I was thinking of hosting a free live stream here on YouTube and catching the market's reaction to when those FOMC minute reports are released. Jerome Powell should not be speaking. He most likely will not, right? It's pretty much just a summary on why and how it is that the Federal Reserve came to the conclusion of only raising interest rates by 0.25%. So I don't know if you guys remember this, but the last interest rate hike was only 0.25%. I'm sorry, that was definitely not it. Let's see where it's at. Oh, and it's not popping up anymore. Oh, here we go. Oh, no, not there. There it goes. January 31st to February 2nd, 0.25% interest rate hike. And those were that is the most recent interest rate hike from the Federal Reserve. The next one is not until mid next month, right? So if you would like me to host that free live stream here on YouTube, all I literally ask you to do is get this video to over 1,500 likes and subscribe to the channel. As long as you guys do that, I will host the live stream as long as 1 hour before 2 p.m. Eastern time, the video has over 1,500 likes. So I'm going to leave it at that. Again, market should be reacting to the FOMC Minutes report tomorrow. It doesn't matter if it's a bullish reaction or a bearish reaction. Remember, the only people that freak out are those that did not prepare, right? So you're all aware of this economic report tomorrow. You're all aware of why the market's pulling on back, both on the technical side and, the specific supply zone that we're currently approaching. And I'm excited to take on the market tomorrow with our LPP team and try to see if we can get close to another $20,000 day. But again, I'm going to take it day by day. If you guys have any questions, you guys know exactly where to reach out to me, and that's going to be via Discord, and that's that first link in the description down below. So also, don't forget, I do trade live every single day with our Learn Plan Profit group, and that is that second link in the description down below. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access. You do get to watch me trade live every single day. And again, you can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow. And that's that second link in the description down below. I am using the Webull trading application. It is free for everyone in the US. So if you've been looking for a new trading app, right now they do have a limited time promotion. And all you need to do is deposit $1, minimum of $1. It's the fifth link in the description down below. And if you want to use the same trading app that I'm using, especially if you end up joining my team to watch me trade live every day, it's going to be a little bit more easy for you to follow along. It's the fifth link in the description. And again, just deposit $1. You can earn up to 12 free shares, and I earn 1 free share. So it's a win-win for both of us. So I appreciate your time. Hope that we're into thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.